Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Video lectures for class 4 English lecture number 13. Nabila Amir from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents of today's lecture are pre-reading, reading unit number 4, fill in the blanks and MCQs. Students, we are going to read unit number 4, Diba's Doll, page number 30 on your book Oxford Reading Circle. It is an interesting story. It's the story of a little girl, Diba. She stood first in her class and her family gave her many gifts, and a special gift was a doll from her brother Rafi. Now, what was the special thing about this doll? Let's read and find out. Unit number 4, Diba's Doll, page number 30. Well done, Diba. We are so proud of you. Proud means feeling pleased. Diba sat up in bed and rubbed her sleepy eyes. Rubbed means massage ya malna. The room was full of people. Now look at the main points of this page. There were many people in Diba's room and they were very happy. Now you can see from the picture that all of them are looking very happy. Now let's see why they were happy. Page number 31. Mum and Dad were there and so was her sister Neha, her brother Rafe and even Auntie Anita. It was 6 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. Diba did not have to go to school, so there was no need to rise at 6. Rise means wake up. वो संडे था इसलिए सुबह 6 बजे उठने की जरूरत नहीं थी. But Diba was not annoyed means feeling angry. वो इस वक्त 6 बजे उठकर नाराज नहीं थी. Why? Yesterday she had been given some good news. She had come first in her class. Wow, very good. She was now delighted to be up. और इस वक्त उठकर वो खुश थी. The family had promised her some presents means gifts. And here they were. Wake up, sleepyhead, shouted Neha, jumping up and down at the bottom of her bed. Rafe stepped forward and handed her a large parcel. Stepped forward means आगे बढ़ा. Well done, Diba, he said and added, open this one first. I wrapped it myself. Wrapped means pack. What is it? asked Diba excitedly, taking the parcel from him. खुशी से parcel लेते हुए. Open it and find out, said Rafe. And before you say anything, I bought it with my own money. I knew you would come first, so I have been saving up for months and months and months and... Now look at the main points of this page. Who was in Diba's room? Mom, Dad, Neha, Diba's sister, Rafe, Diba's brother and Auntie Anita. And why they were there? They came to give her gifts as she stood first in her class. Rafe gave her a big parcel and he was very excited about his gift. वो बहुत पुरजोश था और बता रहा था किस तरह कई महीने उसने मनी सेव की है और ये गिफ्ट खरीदा है. Page number 32. Yes, interrupted Dad. Interrupted means cut in. Mum and I know how much you saved. Don't tell Diba. How much you owe the bank? But Dad, wailed Rafe, almost cried, रोने वाला. I did save a lot, didn't I? I only borrowed a little bit from you. Borrowed means lena. Diba was not listening. She was busy unwrapping the parcel. A doll! She exclaimed when the paper was off. उसने बहुत जोश से कहा, How lovely! Thank you, Rafe. It's no ordinary doll, said Rafe, quickly just in case she thought it was. राफे ने जल्दी से कहा कि ये कोई कॉमन डॉल नहीं है. ऑर्डिनरी मीन्स कॉमन. ये कोई कॉमन डॉल नहीं है. ये ना हो कि दीपा इसको कोई कॉमन डॉल समझ ले. It works on batteries and it talks. Let me show you how it. Let her do it on her own, Rafe, said Mom, gently holding Rafe back. Mom ने राफे को रोक लिया. It's her big day and her present. So let her make it work. I was only going to help her with the batteries, complained Rafe. Complain means protest, shikayat. It won't work without them. And putting them in is complicated, means difficult. I'm sure she will manage, said Dad, handing her a small package of batteries. After all, she has proved that she is the brightest girl. अब मम ने राफे को दीपा की हेल्प करने से रोक दिया. तो राफे को लगा कि बैटरीज डालना is a difficult task. Deepa would not be able to do it, but Dad has full trust on her. Now look at the main points. Rafe's gift was a talking doll, yes, and Deepa was very excited to have it. And Rafe was eager to tell Deepa how the doll worked. But Mum and Dad did not allow it. क्योंकि वो चाहते थे दीपा खुद अपने प्रेजेंट के साथ मैनेज करे. After all, she was a bright girl. Page number 33. Deepa tore the packet open, removed the back cover of the doll, and fitted the batteries in no time. How do you make it talk? She asked. See, I told you, said Rafe, smiling smugly. Smugly means self-satisfied at his parents. She does need help after all, and big brothers are here to do just that. Rafe was very happy that Deepa still needs her help. And before he could be stopped, और इससे पहले कि मम एंड डैड उसे मना करते, राफे pressed a tiny button on the side of the doll. Now say something, Deepa, he said. Give the doll an instruction like attack or fire. Now look at the main points of this page. Deepa fitted the batteries, but still she sought for Rafe's help to know how the doll talked. And Rafe फौरन उसकी हेल्प के लिए रेडी हो गए. Page number 34. And the doll will remember and use the words later on. Goodness me, what words, said Mom. I don't think this doll is going to be doing any attacking or firing. Rafe, it's not like your action men or battle warriors or Tarzan, but a beautiful girl doll. Deepa took control. She held the doll close and said, Pretty baby, beautiful flower, buttercup, blue sky. Please sit. Please don't do that. Hello, sweetie. Now, students, you can see that Mum was against the words like fire or attack, and Deepa also wanted the doll to use the words like buttercup, pretty baby, but Rafe, he did not like all this. Rafe shook his head, let his jaw drop and rolled his eyes. Rafe का मुंह बिल्कुल लटक गया. He looked as if he was in deep agony. Agony means pain. उसे बहुत दुख हो रहा था ये सब सुन के. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, he said, your doll will learn language sweeter than Auntie Anita's sticky toffee pudding. इतनी मीठी हो जाएगी आपकी डॉल की लैंग्वेज जैसे कि आंटी अनीता की स्टिकी टॉफी पुडिंग होती है. Everyone laughed. Laughed means हंसना, including Auntie Anita. Auntie Anita भी हंस रही थी. Over the next half hour, Diba opened the presents. She was thrilled with all of them. Means वो बहुत excited थी. The doll lay beside her while she examined them. जब वो सारे गिफ्ट्स का मुआयना कर रही थी तो डॉल उसके पास पड़ी हुई थी. Then it was time for breakfast and the family moved downstairs. Now look at the main points of this page. Rafe liked the doll to say the words like fire or attack, but Mum did not like it, and Diba wanted the doll to use sweet language. Then they all went for breakfast. Students, are you tired? Let's have a break for 20 minutes. And then we will read page number 35. Break time. Let's have a break of 20 minutes. Eat something and then come back. Page number 35. After breakfast, Diba helped Mum to wash up. Rafe disappeared, means ghaib ho gaye. Perhaps he was in the garden helping Dad to fix the gate. Diba went to her room to play with her new toys. She put on the green goggles Auntie Anita had given her. She was becoming quite a good swimmer, so the goggles would be very useful. Goggles means glasses, swimming glasses. When you go for a swimming and you use glasses. She would be able to swim for ages, means for a long time, without getting red eyes. When she will be using goggles, she would swim for a long time और उसकी आंखें भी रेड नहीं होंगी. Diba practiced a few strokes of the crawl. Mum and Dad's present is going to be useful too, thought Diba, picking up a paintbrush. They had given her an easel, paper, and a set of watercolors. She would certainly have fun with those. Certainly means surely, yakinan. Mrs. Khan, her art teacher, would be pleased. Pleased means happy. Put it down now, growled a voice from the corner of the room. Diba jumped and dropped the paintbrush. She got afraid. Rafe, is that you? Asked Diba, looking round the room. Now, look at the main points of this page. After breakfast, Diba came to her room and started playing with her new toys. Auntie Anita gave her green goggles. Mum and Dad gave her a set of watercolors, easel and a paper. When Diba was busy with her toys, she heard a voice. Put it down! She got afraid. Now let's see what happens next. Page number 36. The voice did not sound like Rafe's and Diba was a little afraid. ये आवाज राफे की नहीं लग रही थी तो दीबा जो है वो डर गई थी. If you are hiding and trying to scare me, said Diba, trying to sound bold, थोड़ा बहादुर बनकर. You are doing a good job. I shall find you. Run, run, came a shrill voice. Shrill means high-pitched, थोड़ी harsh. Voice from near the bed. Scatter, बिखर जाओ. We are under attack. The voice was loud and gruff. Gruff means rough. Diba expected something to come flying across the room. दीपा को लगा कुछ उड़ता हुआ आ रहा है. She sat on the floor and covered her head with her hands. Now let's see the main points of this page. Deepa thought it was Rafi's voice, but then she thought it is not Rafi. So she was so scared and sat on the floor and she covered her head with her hands. पहले उसे लगा ये राफे है, लेकिन जब उसे फील हुआ कि ये राफे की आवाज नहीं है तो वो बहुत ज्यादा डर गई थी. Page number 37. There was a loud wail. This was followed by angry shouting and lots of instructions. Instructions means hidayat. Stay down, came the voice. We are under attack. Load your weapons and be ready to fire. 1, 2, 3, duck, duck, kaboom! There was a loud crack, followed by gunfire. Then silence. Deepa breathed ever so quietly. She was creeping towards the door. Creeping means crawling. To escape, बचने के लिए. Then she heard the voice again. Aha! I'll get you. I'll get you. From her position on the floor, Deepa spotted her doll. Deepa ने doll को देख लिया. The doll's arms were moving up and down frantically, means तेजी से move कर रही थी. And her eyes were flashing, और आंखें चमक रही थी. Rafe, said the doll in Rafe's voice. You have been a very naughty boy. Ha ha ha. Deepa burst into laughter. अब दीपा जोर से हंसी. Wait till I catch that brother of mine, she shrieked as she ran downstairs to find Rafi. Now look at the main points of this page. Then came lots of instructions. Deepa was creeping towards the door when she saw the doll. Oh, the doll was saying all this. At that time, Deepa laughed and ran to catch Rafi. Why? Because she came to know that Rafi has done all this. ये सब राफे की शरारत है. उन्होंने ये सारी जो है इंस्ट्रक्शंस फीड की थी डॉल के अंदर, और अब डॉल उनको बोल रही थी, जिसकी वजह से दीपा बहुत ज्यादा डर गई थी और अब वो राफे को पकड़ने के लिए दौड़ी थी. Students, now we will practice fill in the blanks based on unit number 4. As you know that in exams you could get any sentence from your unit. This is just for your practice. So let's start. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Let me read the words first. Presence, ordinary, agony, gruff, goggles. Now read the sentences. The voice was loud and dash. The family had promised her some dash. Rafe looked as he was in deep dash. Auntie Anita gave her dash. It is no dash doll. Now take 2 minutes and fill it by yourself. Then we will match. Yes, the voice was loud and gruff. The family had promised her some presents. Very good. Rafe looked as he was in deep agony. Auntie Anita gave her goggles. It is no ordinary doll. Very good. Hope all of you have done right. Now we will practice MCQs based on unit number 4. And as you know that in exams you could get any sentence for MCQs. This is just for the practice. And remember, to solve the question like MCQs in the fill in the blanks, there is need to read the lesson very carefully and comprehend it. Means उसे अच्छी तरह पढ़े और उसे समझे. Then you will be able to attempt the question of fill in the blanks and MCQs. So let's solve this. Circle the correct answer and fill in the gaps. Number 1. Diba had come dash in our class. Options are second, first, third. First, very good. Write it in blank. Number 2. The doll works on dash. Options are batteries, remote control, switch. Correct answer is batteries. Very good. Number 3. Diba was dashed towards the door. Walking, running, creeping. Creeping. Very good. Number 4. Diba was becoming quite a good runner, swimmer, painter. Correct answer is swimmer. Very good. Number 5. Rafe was helping dad to fix the gate, window glass, table. Correct answer is gate. Very good. Your home task is read unit number 4 at least 2 times. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.